Now class, we'll focus on certain salts and their effect, that how it's been they are being affected by the heat when the heat is being supplied to it. So over here I am using copper sulfate. You have seen many times. This is copper sulfate 5 dot water. Basically it's a salt of water crystallization, or you can also say that it is a hydrated salt of copper sulfate, because it contains a definite number of water molecules. So how many water molecules has been there in this particular salt? That it has 5 water molecules. Now we will see that when we are heating this copper sulfate, which is containing 5 water molecules, this particular water molecules that are present in this salt will be evaporated when you will heat it up. And initially it is a hydrated salt, and later on it will change themselves to anhydrous salt. Now what are anhydrous salts? Means that the salts which do not contains any water molecules. So we will see how it's been happening. Initially you are seeing which color? You are seeing a blue coloration because of copper sulfate dot 5 water, because of water of crystallization. But when you heat it, then you will see that there will be a change in the color also, and even the 5 water molecules will be evaporated. So we will see how this has been happening with the help of your Bunsen burner. You know, this is the test tube stand, this is the test tube holder, and that is been you can see the Bunsen burner is being opened over here. So we will see. Now you can see that how we are heating it, this copper sulfate. So it will take time, and you can see that as we are heating, the color is changing from blue to white in color. You can see. So the more you will heat, the more the water molecules will be evaporated up, and it changes to white in color. Now you can see that we are heating it up and water is being evaporating. You can see the fumes are coming out because of water vapors, and its color is also changing from blue to white. So when this experiment will be conducted, the entire salt that was present in this test tube, it will change its color from blue to white. But again, if you pour the white water to it, it will again change its color back to blue in color. So that also you can see that in this. Now you can see it's entire white in color. Now we are adding water molecules to it, and you can see initially it is white, but now it's changing its color. It's changing back to blue in color. Fine. So this way this is happening. So it changed because more water is being added, so it's changing itself to solution form also. So you can see that initially it was blue in color. Now when you heat it up, it changes to white in color, and again when you are adding water to it, again back it changes to its same color. So this is one of the example how you can see the effect of heating on salts which contains water of crystallization. Now class, we are taking another salt, and this is for your zinc carbonate, and we'll see that what is the heating effect on this zinc carbonate. First, the previous salt which we have taken, that was containing a water of crystallization, copper sulfate dot 5 water, but now we are taking a salt which is it also shows a heating effect, and we'll see that what is happening when you are heating it. So this is again the salt of zinc, and this is I am giving you zinc carbonate. You can see it's white in color. So let's focus on it, that what is the effect on heating. Effect of heating. We'll see the effect of heating on zinc carbonate, and let's see, we are heating it, what will be our observation over here. So when you are heating it, it changes color from white to you will see yellow in coloration. So you are seeing that you are heating and its color is changing from white to yellow. Now you are seeing that we are heating and its color is changing from white to yellow. Now you can see yellow coloration is being developed. So this is the effect of heating on zinc carbonate. Initially it was white in color, now it is yellowish in color, a pale yellow type color is being formed. See, good yellow coloration is being developed in this case of zinc carbonate.